안녕하세요, 여러분. Hey everyone, welcome back to day 3 of our Korean vocabulary class. You are doing so well. In just 2 days, you already learned 20 useful Korean words. That's real progress. Today, we will learn 10 more daily words and make simple conversational sentences. Please take your notebook and pen. This method will help you build a strong vocabulary step by step, improve your pronunciation, understand sentence structure naturally, and gain confidence in speaking. If you study 10 words every day in 30 days, you will know 300 words. Imagine your improvement. Remember, don't just watch, take a notebook and a pen. Write with me, speak with me, repeat every sentence out loud. If you practice 10 words every day, your Korean will improve faster than you think. Okay, let's start day 3. Okay, so our first word is 아침. 아침. The sentence is 저는 아침에 운동해요. 저는 아침에 운동해요, which means I exercise in the morning. 아침, 아침. Okay, so our next word is 저녁, 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 which means evening. The sentence is 저녁에 친구를 만나요. 저녁에 친구를 만나요, which means I meet a friend in the evening. 저녁. Our next word is 회사. 회사. 회사, which means company. The sentence is 저는 회사에 가요. 저는 회사에 가요, which means I go to the office. 회사. 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 Great. The next word is 시장. 시장. 시장, which means market. 저는 시장에서 과일을 사요, which means I buy fruit at the market. 시장. 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 Our next word is 옷. 옷. 옷, which means clothes. The sentence is 이 옷은 예뻐요. 이 옷은 예뻐요, which means these clothes are pretty. 옷. 옷. Our next word is 비. 비. 비, which means rain. The sentence is 오늘 비가 와요. 오늘 비가 와요. It's raining today. 비. 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 Great. Our next sentence is 길. 길. 길, which means road and street. Sentence is 길이 벅차해요. 길이 벅차해요, which means the road is crowded. Our next word is 빨리. 빨리. 빨리, which means quickly. The sentence is 빨리 와요. 빨리 와요. 빨리 와요, which means come quickly. 빨리. 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 Great. So our next word is 천천히. 천천히. 천천히, which means slowly. The sentence is 천천히 말해주세요. 천천히 말해주세요. Which means please speak slowly. 천천히. 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 Okay, so our last word is 같이. 같이. 같이, which means together. The sentence is 같이 공부해요. 같이 공부해요. Which means let's study together. 같이. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. I will reply and help you. Now try to say this by yourself. 저는 아침에 커피를 마셔요. I drink coffee in the morning. See, you're already combining day 2 and day 3 words. Very good, everyone. You've now learned 30 Korean words in 3 days. Practice these sentences again tonight. Try making one sentence using 같이. If you have any question, ask me in the comments. I will reply and help you. See you in day 4. Keep going. You're improving every single day. Fighting.